I want to show you how to make hyperzoom time stop effect in Premiere Pro. Move your timeline slider to where you want the effect to begin, then move back 5 frames by holding Shift and hitting the left arrow key once. Double-click the preview screen and move your anchor point to where you want the zoom to focus on. Now go over to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch icon for scale. Then move ahead 5 frames and change the value of scale to 140. Right-click your clip and select Insert Frame Hold Segment. Then remove the unwanted video. Click on the frame hold clip and go over to Effect Controls, then click the stopwatch icon for rotation. Now move ahead a few seconds and change the value of scale to 145 and rotation to -2.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.